Last week I finished with you how to add sound to your project. This week you have to record your voice, your amazing voice, only in the first slide. Okay, to record your voice, just click open your project first, then click on Insert tab, from Audio, click, then Record Audio. Once you find Record Sound, just click on the red button like this. Now you can start record. You can see something to your friends, you can see something to your teachers, like may Allah protect you from all sins, may please. You can see whatever you want to your friends, to your teachers. Then once you finish your message, just click on OK. If you want to listen to your recording, just click on the sound, then place. Now you can start the record. You can see something to your friends, you can see something like